Welcome back. I am Rajesh, a motivational speaker and agriculture student. In this channel, you can see about updated knowledge of all subjects of agriculture, technical education, traditional culture, and motivational speech, etc. In this video, we will discuss about chapter 1 of animal husbandry subject. Let's start our class. In chapter 1, introduction of animal husbandry. At first, our first topic is definition of animal husbandry. It is very easy and it is very important for exam point of view. At first, definition of animal husbandry. Animal husbandry may be defined as a science as well as an art of management, including scientific feeding, breeding, housing, health care of common domestic animals, aiming for maximum return. It is in very common language. It is in simple fractures. Our next topic is definition of livestock. And livestock is defined as farm animals that are kept for use for profit. Examples: cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, chicken, etc. Our next topic is terminology related to AH, means animal husbandry. Then first is breed, a stock of animals within a species having a distinctive appearance and typically having been developed by deliberate selection. The second is dam, a female parent. Third, anorexia, loss of appetite. Fourth, colostrum, the first milk produced by female immediately after giving birth to young. And our next topic is taxonomy. Taxonomy, it is a branch of biological science which deals with the classification, identification, and nomenclature of an organism. Example: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. It is in an order. Classification of some animals. At first, cattle. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Cattle include in the phylum Chordata because it has backbone. And the next is class Mammalia. Class Mammalia because it gives milk. And the third is order Artiodactyla. It is because even toed hoofed. And family Bovidia, it includes in the family Bovidia because having 4-chamber stomach. Genus Bos, species Indicus, then its scientific name is Bos indicus, and scientific names at first genus is in capital letter and it has to underline. And the second is poultry. And kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata because it has backbone. Class Apes because feathered, warm-blooded vertebrate with 4-chambered heart. Order Galliforms, birds with short wings and legs, toes adapted for scratching and running. Family Phasinidae. Genus Gallus, species Domesticus, and its scientific name is Gallus domesticus. Here only 2 animals are included. And our next topic is importance and scope of livestock production in Nepal. At first, importance: milk production, meat production, protein supply, wool production, egg production, organic manure supply, draft power, industrial value, social value, religious value, employment generation. And we can describe it also. And our next is scope: to carry out various agriculture operations, to solve the problems of food, shelter, clothes for rural development, to get another livestock product, these are bone, wool, hide, manure, etc., to generate employment as a source of income, entertainment, and cultural activities. These are scopes. And our next topic is livestock as a component of mixed farming system in Nepal. Farming that combine crop production with livestock raising is called mixed farming. The crop residues used as the fodder to animal and the animal manures used to fertilize soil and contribute to add value of cereals. The livestock owners use labor more efficiently and diversified risk with extra income sources. And that's our topics are finished here. If you want to take more knowledge about this field, then like and subscribe my channel for motivate me to upload more videos. Here is my target, and my target is to complete more than 100 views. Then I will provide the link of PDF note. And never miss to like and subscribe, and if the video is necessary for other friends, then share this video. Your friend Rajesh Jha.